Hello, Professor. This is my midterm presentation, and my topic is the working, construction, and troubleshooting of a ceiling fan. So, I would like it to start from the introduction. A ceiling fan is a device which is suspended from the ceiling of a room, which implies hub-mounted rotating pedals and circulate air. First electrically powered fan was invented in 1882 by Philip Dale. Crompton Greaves Limited is a leading manufacturer of fans. Let's move to the principle, how it works. So, if a current carrying conductor is placed on a magnetic field, it experiences a force and starts to rotate. The direction of the rotation can be found by Fleming's left hand, and it is also shown in the PPT. Working. In a ceiling fan, there is a single phase capacitor, start and run motor. There is a main, which is also called running winding, and auxiliary starting winding in the fan. Starting winding has a capacitor in its series. Due to this capacitor, single phase is divided into two phases, and a rotating magnetic field is produced, and due to the internal reaction, motor starts to rotate. Simple. And this process is also, I try to show that in the diagram below. So, in another figure, I try to show the schematic circuit diagram of a ceiling fan and a regulator connection. And moving on, there is a figure which shows the construction of a ceiling fan. So there are some key components which are being used to construct a ceiling fan. Number one is electric motor, capacitor start and run, rated at 230 watts and 50 hertz. Blades, usually there are aluminum blades. You can see that there are aluminum blades used in a fan which are they are like 3 numbers or probably 4. And there is a starting cup or canopy and suspension down rod. You can see that, in which the fan is hanging, and there's ball bearing inside that round plate as well, and a terminal box. This is a fan regulator. If I can show you that, yes. So it is used to control the speed of fan. I'll show you, like if I switch on the fan, start moving, and the speed is full right now. But if I want to slow it down, look, if you can see that, can you move the camera here? Now we can feel that the fan's speed is being slowed. So this regulator, it works like it slows or fastens the fan speed as per our desire. So there is some technical data of a ceiling fan which includes the size of fan, speed, power consumption, air delivery, and area covered. So, very important topic of my presentation, the troubleshooting chart. So, what kind of problems we can face while installing a ceiling fan in a home or an office or somewhere else? So, the first problem is fan running in a wrong way. The possible cause of that, the wiring can be incorrect, so it can run in a wrong way. So the recommended action to solve the problem is that to reverse the rotation of a 3-phase motor in interchange any 2 supply leads to reverse the rotation of a single phase winding. Refer to the direction in the motor junction box. This note applies to a single speed motors. For 2-speed motors, refer to the supplier. Problem number 2 which we can face is fan won't run. Possible cause may be like the low applied voltage, supply failure, open in winding, consider open or short, open in a regulator resistor switch. So, and third but not last is fan runs in an alternate direction. The possible cause of this fault may be the capacitor is not in the circuit, or it could be faulty. So simply we can check the capacitor, or we can replace it so it will work properly. So there's another very important point, the testing of a earth fault. Make the arrangement as per circuit diagram and see the light effect of the bulb. If the bulb give light, there is an earth fault. For example, leakage of a current in a metallic part of the body. Check and remove it before using. If a bulb gives no light, no earth fault is detected, and you can like place your fan as you want. So there are some precautions too. Before hanging the fan, all testing should be done properly. Fan's body, the metallic part should be earthed, not bored. Everything should be tightened correctly, and the connection should not be loose, and finally your fan will work properly. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you. Have a good day.